Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best LED lights for your car interior available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1 is the OPT7 Bluetooth LED Lights Kit. This color LED lights kit was created by OPT7 and has 3 primary colors and a single SMD, surface-mounted diode. As a result, you'll be able to mix and match numerous color selections to your liking while emitting a strong, illuminating light. From a 12 volts outlet to a sleek fuse box with topping plugs, there are many ways to illuminate the lights, making it versatile for a wide range of automobiles. The high-quality strips are both flexible and heavy-duty, allowing them to bend, curl, and twist around surfaces while remaining weather-resistant. Advanced color dimming, different flashing modes, variable speed control, one-touch color selection, and LED neon lights are included in this 4-piece package. When purchasing these interior LED lights, keep in mind that a seamless color transition is not an option, which can temporarily detract from the ambience. Because the light is physically larger than other LED lights, it may present modest internal problems. Moving up at number 2 is the Govee Car LED Strip Light. The Govee Car LED Strip Light is a wonderful choice if you want to save money without sacrificing features. It includes 48 LED lights in a variety of colors to offer your vehicle with the illumination it requires. This kit makes it easier to deploy across vehicles because to its 2-line architecture and longer cables. The lights come with 3M tape on the back, so they're ready to put up right away. The lights can be turned on using the remote once it has been fitted. Download the Govee app and play about with the settings for further customization. The built-in music sensor, which varies light intensity and color based on rhythm, is another entertaining feature. At number 3 on our list is the Shynerk Interior Car Lights. This next item from Shynerk is an excellent choice for individuals on a budget. This light kit is simple to set up, operate, and comes with a variety of appealing features. Let's have a look at what it has to offer. This light kit's 2-in-1 line design allows you to place the lights wherever you choose in your automobile, with a cigarette lighter connection in the center. The adhesive-backed strips make it simple to place them wherever you like. The best part is that you can manage the light settings using 3 different methods: a remote control, the eHome app, or the control unit on the kit's body. You can also choose from a variety of music modes when it comes to light settings. At number 4 is the Daybetter LED Interior Strip Lights. These almost infinitely configurable LED strips are exceedingly simple to install and offer a near infinite number of color combinations, as well as up to 22 different color modes. They are powered by an on/off switch and plug into the car's 12 volts outlet. Simply download and connect to the Daybetter app to personalize the color and mode. Depending on the option, the lighting will even jump to the beat, altering and changing in response to the pace of the music being played. These lights have a peel-away adhesive backing that adheres to the interior of your car. Because the backing isn't particularly strong, several users have suggested using stronger double-sided tape to finish the job. The 5th product on our list is the Wsiiroon Car LED Strip Light. If you're on a budget, the Wsiiroon Car LED Strip Light meets your needs at a reasonable price. This 48 LED set comes in 4 pieces with 8 fixed colors, 2 jump modes, and 2 fade modes. While it isn't as complex as some of our other recommendations, it is sufficient for most casual users. It's simple to set up. Simply mount the adapter with the accompanying double-sided adhesive and plug it into your cigarette lighter. The accompanying remote allows you to change the color scheme and activate the sound-sensitive feature, which automatically adjusts the lights to the beat of the music. Each strip is rated for 10,000 hours of use, which means it should outlast the life of your vehicle. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.